Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have obviously a new setup, way better than my last makeup tutorial. I have two softbox lights and just things are looking all around better. So I can actually see myself now. So I think today I'm gonna do a glowy, fun, summery type of look. I want to try to incorporate these colors right here, especially Pool Party. So I think I'm gonna try to incorporate those colors since I've never used them before. I've only ever swatched them. So I think I'm just gonna dive right in, and I think I'm gonna do the eyes first just in case we have any fallout. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so for the first color, I'm gonna go into this color right here, which is Creamsicle, I believe. And I'm gonna grab my Morphe M504 brush. It's very pigmented, tap off the excess, and then just put that very lightly into the crease. So now I think I'm actually gonna take Champagne Pop and put it on the eyelid. This is a highlighter, but I'm gonna use it as an eyeshadow today because I've never done that and I wanna do something new. So I'm gonna just saturate the brush. And I think I'm just gonna put this all over my mobile eyelid. But it kind of has that cut crease feel. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M433. It's looking a little bit one-dimensional, so I'm gonna use this color right there to deepen it up just a tiny bit because I don't want it to be like super intense. I just definitely want it to be still want it to be like orangey and summery, just to give it a little bit more of a warmth, because right now it's like really orange. Let's see if we kind of lost the Champagne Pop a little bit, so I'm going to go back in with that brush that we used before. Oops. And just put that back on the lid because we kind of lost it when we were blending. Okay, so I'm gonna do my lashes real quick because this is the top of the eye done, and then I will be right back. I'm gonna do my face now because I want this to be like super glowy. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro-Glo foundation. Honestly, this foundation is really, really good. I was actually really surprised at how good it was. I'm gonna use my tried and true Maybelline Fit Me Concealer 15 Fair. And you're done. Just kidding. I'm gonna put this highlighting points of my face. Okay. Wow, that's a look. I think what I'm going to do now is my lower lash line. I'm so excited for this part. I'm going to go in with this pencil brush that I just got from Amazon. I'm going to go in with... Let's just do it. Let's just go in with Pool Party. All right, here we go. Oh my God. I'm gonna push that on the lower lash line. This is gorgeous. Wow. I'm gonna go with a little bit of Jade, that second color. Look at that, it's so stunning. And I'm just gonna go over that too, just to add some extra dimension. So that there's like two different types of blue. That's so pretty, I love it, it's so summery. Mascara on the lower lashes. my face. I'm gonna go and do my contour now. Shade and Light, of course. I almost went like this. Shade and Light, I'm gonna use that one, which is Subconscious. So for blush, I'm going to use Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, and this is going to bring life back into my cheeks. So now, the most fun part, I'm going to go ham on the highlighter today. Obviously, we have to go in with Champagne Pop because we used it on our eyes. But today I'm going to use a fan brush just because I really want it to be like everywhere. So this is the Morphe M310. Nikki Tutorials talks about this brush. It's actually a really good brush. And going in. Oh god, it's so pretty. And I'm gonna bring it up here. I'm gonna do my my brow bone and my Cupid's bow, nose, chin, and then up above the eyebrows. So now for lips, obviously the eyes are so big and bold, so we want to do something a little bit neutral. I'm going to go in with the lipstick that I used, I think it was my last tutorial, the Urban Decay lipstick in the color Morning After. And this color is pink, but it's like a neutral pink, so it definitely doesn't overpower the eyes. So let's just use our setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Alright guys, that is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you. And if you liked this tutorial, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys like my content. Other than that, I will see you guys on my next video.